Hi, I am Vanila, and this is my other new project. This is, as you can see, is a doily with very nice edging. I am doing the last row. This is the last row, as you can see, is multicolored. It has got a very beautiful pattern. The composition is just stunning, and here I am. I have finished where the yarn, the thread I was working with finished, so I had to buy a new one, and here it is, the multicolored yarn that I made with, that I've knitted with. And this is my project. As you can see, this is the last row that I'm doing, so this is the one. As you can see, it's the last row. So this is the one. So this is the yarn, and this is how I actually have to do the row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I put in this one here in the hole here. So we do 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly how the pattern tells us to do is how I need to actually knit, crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So put in this space here. 1, 2, 3. In fact here, that's the right point, I have to do 3 because this is the middle one. The pattern tells us I need to do 3. Couple of 3 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we do like this. So I've done 3 here, like it says here. Then we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a little bit of knit with me because I thought about finishing this row with you, and I hope you liked my my project, my large doily, and I hope you can subscribe to my channel, have fun watching my new videos, and possibly even purchasing some of my items on Etsy. So thank you very much for subscribing, and for comments, and for liking my videos. Please watch, and let's have fun together creating beautiful things like this. in fact here we need to do 2, but I've done 4, so I need to go back. So 1, 2, 3. See you soon.